Welcome to Adelaide, Australia, an extraordinary travel destination that combines natural beauty, urban sophistication, and an undeniable charm. Known as the City of Churches and celebrated for its scenic landscapes, cultural heritage, and culinary delights, Adelaide is a must-see for any traveller seeking an authentic Aussie experience. From the lush vineyards of Barossa Valley to the fascinating wildlife encounters at Cleland Wildlife Park, there's something here for everyone. Let's dive into the 8 best places to visit in Adelaide that promise unforgettable moments and a taste of the best tourist destinations in Australia. 1. Barossa Valley. A trip to Adelaide isn't complete without experiencing the world-famous Barossa Valley. Known for its rich wine culture and picturesque vineyards, Barossa is a haven for wine enthusiasts and foodies alike. Enjoy tastings at renowned wineries, where you can sample some of Australia's finest Shiraz, and delight in gourmet dining experiences that celebrate fresh local produce. Beyond wine, Barossa Valley offers charming townships like Tanunda and Nuriutpa, inviting you to explore artisan shops and historic sites. Whether you're a wine connoisseur or a lover of scenic landscapes, the Barossa Valley is an essential stop for any traveller. 2. Glenelg Beach. For those looking to soak up Adelaide's coastal charm, Glenelg Beach is the perfect escape. Just a tram ride from the city centre, Glenelg boasts sandy shores, clear waters, and a lively boardwalk filled with cafes, restaurants, and boutique shops. Enjoy a leisurely day under the sun, take a dip in the gentle waves, or even go for a dolphin spotting cruise. As the sun sets, Glenelg's stunning views provide the ideal backdrop for an evening stroll or a beachfront dinner. Glenelg Beach truly captures the relaxed, friendly spirit of Australia's coastal life. 3. Cleland Wildlife Park. For a unique wildlife encounter, Cleland Wildlife Park is a must-visit tourist place near Adelaide. Located in the scenic Adelaide Hills, Cleland offers visitors the chance to get up close and personal with some of Australia's most iconic animals. Hand-feed kangaroos, snap a selfie with a koala, and discover emus, wallabies, and more in a natural, open setting. This immersive experience makes it one of the best places to visit for families and animal lovers, providing an unforgettable introduction to Australia's unique fauna. 4. Adelaide Botanic Garden. Nestled in the heart of the city, the Adelaide Botanic Garden is a peaceful retreat filled with diverse plant species from around the world. Wander through the Palm House, a striking Victorian glasshouse showcasing exotic flora, or visit the tranquil Water Lily Pavilion. The Botanic Garden also features educational displays on native plants, conservation, and sustainable gardening, making it a fascinating destination for plant enthusiasts and nature lovers alike. Perfect for a relaxed afternoon stroll, the Adelaide Botanic Garden brings a touch of serenity to your travel experience. 5. Adelaide Central Market. Food lovers will find paradise at Adelaide Central Market, one of the Southern Hemisphere's largest and oldest indoor markets. This vibrant spot offers a sensory journey through local flavors, with fresh produce, artisan cheeses, charcuterie, international cuisine, and more. Whether you're sampling gourmet pastries or grabbing a coffee at a cozy cafe, the market's energy and diversity make it one of the best tourist places in Adelaide. It's the ideal place to pick up some delicious souvenirs or experience the true taste of South Australia. 6. Mount Lofty Summit. For panoramic views of Adelaide and beyond, head up to Mount Lofty Summit. Located in the Adelaide Hills, this popular lookout point offers breathtaking vistas, especially at sunrise or sunset. Take a leisurely hike up to the summit or drive to the top to witness the incredible scenery. There's also a cafe where you can enjoy refreshments while taking in the views. A trip to Mount Lofty is both refreshing and rewarding, making it one of the best tourist destinations for nature enthusiasts and photographers. 7. Art Gallery of South Australia. Art and culture enthusiasts will be drawn to the Art Gallery of South Australia, home to an impressive collection of works ranging from Australian Aboriginal art to European masterpieces. Located on North Terrace, this gallery offers insight into South Australia's rich cultural heritage, showcasing sculptures, paintings, and contemporary installations. Free to enter, it's a perfect destination for a leisurely afternoon of discovery and inspiration. The art gallery's architectural beauty and curated exhibits make it a highlight for those exploring Adelaide's creative side. 8. Honddorf. Step back in time with a visit to Honddorf, Australia's oldest surviving German settlement. Just a short drive from Adelaide, this charming town is known for its German heritage, evident in its half-timbered buildings, traditional bakeries, and delightful shops selling handcrafted goods. Stroll along the main street to discover art galleries, sample German-style beers, and indulge in delicious German cuisine. Honndorf's unique atmosphere offers a refreshing change of pace, inviting you to experience a slice of history with a warm, welcoming vibe. Adelaide is a destination that captures the essence of Australia's diverse beauty, rich history, and vibrant culture. Whether you're looking to explore scenic beaches, discover local wildlife, or indulge in world-class food and wine, Adelaide has something to enchant every traveller. These 8 best places to visit offer unforgettable experiences that promise to make your trip to Australia truly special. So why wait? Book your flights, pack your bags, and let Adelaide's charm and allure sweep you off your feet. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and inspiration. Happy travels!